taking life in stride. Little cat, wild-eyed dreams, hunting those chirps in a room. Birds sing lies all too real, but she don't know the tune. Paws creeping silent as night, eyes blazing, fire sparks bright. Chirping ghosts she's bound to see, the innocent heart running free. Birds on the screen behind her back, lost in the quest on a futile track. Wide-eyed hunter in a digital snare, chasing shadows that ain't really there. Tail twitching, heart full of fight, night hunting in broad daylight. A world of jungle, her eyes keen, mind so sharp yet blind to the sea. Whiskers twitching, senses on high, crazy as tears and cats could cry. Pixel-stricken, naive mind, sweet illusion till it's unkind. She seeks the birds forevermore. Truth unknown, cruel mirage, a hunter spirit